Hi guys, so today we'll be solving the first problem of May Leetcode challenge. Let's solve it. Prefix and suffix search. Design a special dictionary which has some words and allows you to search the words in it by prefix and a suffix. Implement the word filter class, word filter string of words, initializes the object with the words in the dictionary. F of string prefix and string suffix returns the index of the word in the dictionary which has the prefix, suffix, and the suffix. Okay, if there is more than one valid index, return the largest of them. Okay, if there is no such word in the dictionary, return -1. So we've been given a dictionary of certain words, and we've also been given two functions. One is word filter and one is f. F has two parameters, suffix and prefix, and word filter is basically the number of basically the number of words are given as a vector as the parameter, and we need to find if the given suffix and prefix in the f function uh, has the same prefix and suffix of a word in the word dictionary. So this problem can be solved by try, but there's an easier approach to solve this, and I'll be doing by that. So let's solve it. So first, I'll be creating an unorder map to store the prefix and the suffix. So for that, let me just create an unorder map globally. So string and int mp. Let's call it mp. Now let's run a for loop for the vectors in the word filter where we are given the vector of strings of, basically that's the dictionary for us. So we'll be iterating through that. Words dot size I plus plus. Now uh, first thing that we have to do is that we have to take the word which is at the ith position. So for that, I'll make a string word, and at words of I, that string would be stored. And let me create a variable called word size is equal to word dot size to store the size of that particular word. Now basically we need to do the traversal of the string to store the prefix and the suffix in the hash map. So for that, we'll be first doing the prefix part. So I'll start from j is equal to I, because we'll be considering the first letter as a prefix. So 0 to j, that would be considered as a prefix in by passing through the substring function of string. So let's write that j is less than equal to word size j plus plus. Now string p is equal to, as I told you, word dot substring of 0 comma j. All right, now we'll run another loop for the for the suffix, and suffix will go from 0 to k is less than word size k plus plus. Now here in the second loop, we'll be storing the the suffix. So for that, let's write string s is equal to word dot substring k to word dot size, which is till the uh, end of the string which is word dot size, which gives us the length, right? So that would be done here. And now simply we'll store the prefix, and we'll be segregating it by a dash, or maybe you can do anything. You just need to segregate it. So plus prefix plus a segregation plus the suffix would be stored in the map. Now whenever, this is not necessary by the way, if you want to do it you can do it. Now whenever we find that prefix plus a segregation plus suffix is present, then we return it in the f function. So f function is exactly the same, right? If something if any word has a prefix as well as the suffix ready, then we'll be just returning it. So let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. Yeah, that is accepted. So basically what we are doing is that we have been given a dictionary. We've also been given prefix and suffix, and for each word in that dictionary, I am storing the prefix and suffix in a map, and then I'm checking if there is a prefix and a suffix of the prefix and suffix which are given as an input. If there's a prefix and suffix, for that we return the position at which that letter is, and we get the answer by that. So I hope you guys understood the problem. Do solve it. Thank you.